Okay, wait. So listen. Listen. That was the very first time that I installed. By the way, follow me on Instagram. Very first time that I installed that wig, and this right here is gonna be the bleaching tutorial. So this is how I bleached the wig. So I didn't have all of the things that I needed for the bleaching. So you can see I'm just using like a bleach that I bought from Walmart. This was like a very like gotta do this quickly type of situation. Right here I'm just brushing out the hair so that like I can get the hair away from the lace, which is what I'm gonna be bleaching. This is not like the hair bleaching, this is just like I'm bleaching the lace. I don't know if I mentioned that, so I'm just saying it again. But I'm getting the hair away from the lace so that when I bleach it, it doesn't get onto the hair. I watched a few videos before I attempted this, but I'm not too proud of it. I'm actually going to bleach the lace again later on, and I'm going to do that video. But this is the first bleaching attempt. This was my very first attempt ever, actually, when it comes to lace bleaching. But as you can see, look at what I'm using. This was very last minute, and I had to just get something and get this out of the way. So that's exactly what I did. I just bought this at Walmart. It was only for $9, and I'm going to go ahead and bleach the lace. Yeah, I had to pull out the manual because I needed to read the instructions and do this at least sort of correctly. I'm about to do this a little bit creatively. I do end up using the gloves. I just had to get them out of my way. But first thing I ended up doing was putting the powder in a separate like disposable bowl, and put my gloves on. I was like, you know, I might as well do this, safe if we're gonna do it. Even though this is like a little creative, using what you got sort of way. I got, like I said, I think I mentioned already, but I got this bleach from Walmart for like $9. I'm pouring the powder in a disposable bowl, and then I'm gonna add the liquid that comes with it. Forgot the name of it, but you know what I'm trying to say, anyways. I'm trying to mix it to get like a paste, like a thick consistency, and I just continue adding more liquid until I get what I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna apply this to the lace and try to apply it gently so that it doesn't get onto the hair, or say. But yeah, just just watch and see, because it gets interesting. Yeah. Okay, let me explain this. So I saw somewhere, or I think I saw, someone explain that you have to spray the lace with Got2b glue. I realized my glue was coming out weird. So I fixed it, and now it's coming out better than it was before. But yeah, my glue was messed up a little bit there. So I continue to spray the lace just like as a protective layer, and you see I got my aluminum foil. I did all this like on the bed, just like it's more comfortable for me to do these things this way. If I had like a table, I would probably use that. If you have a table, I would say to use a table, but just me personally, this was more comfortable. So yeah, you can see me applying the bleach onto the lace now. And like I said, I was trying to do this as gently as possible so that it didn't get on the hair. This was a little hard. I actually now have the right supplies, so hopefully it's a little bit easier. Since I will be doing this again, I will be recording it too. Stay tuned for that, if that's what people say to say. But this kind of worked out a little bit, just a little bit. I didn't like it too much, but at the time it's what I had to do, and it did what it did. I guess I didn't have to do the full lace itself, but like I could have just done the front of the lace and it would have been fine. But I ended up doing like the full, 360, which I felt like I didn't really have to do afterwards. Yeah, but continue enjoying watching me apply this, or I guess. Yeah. Okay, listen, let me explain this part. So this is a lace that is already bleached. I just wanted to show the part where I added the purple shampoo. I had just recently bleached this one. It was already done. The wait time was over. It's a smaller portion, so it was easier to see that it was done. So I was able to rinse it out and then added the purple shampoo. And this is the end result. Look, like, after doing that, perfect. So yeah, like and comment and subscribe. Do whatever you want, whatever. But bye. Thanks for watching.